Rakiri Virendra.
Yes, Satyavan.
Vivekananda became the master of yoga.
Yeah,
And
Buddha
I think
became.
Buddha.
Yeah.
And also, I think you are
Pandit
the
Fakir
master.
Yogi
You are also, I think.
I have become, yeah,
Yes,
no,
yes.
Satyanarayan, what is happening? I am a very foolish man, ignorant man. Whatever I do to the limit where very few people can go, because my whole life is a study. I studied physics such a great way that Professor B.N. Roy, my guru and guide in Bihar University, when he interviewed me for the job of a lecturer in college, he told, Virender, you have mastered physics. I told, yes, because I am a very ordinary man. I know unless I work very hard and master the subject, I will have no values. So always I want to give value to myself. So I have to work very hard. And you know, physics is most of the difficult and most complicated subjects. It is combinations of theories and mathematics. So I was master of both. So I learned the practice to master a subject. I was the best teacher in every subject, whatever because I worked very hard, simple. It's not very talents or intelligence. Every human being is talented, intelligent. They don't use their intelligence. So this become my habit. This become my habit, Satyanarayan.
Yes.
So whatever I do the full measure of devotion, passion and interest because I glorify myself. I want to make them oriented. Ornament of mine is mastery of the subject. So when I joined GVK Group of Industries, directors he made out of sympathy and then he kicked me off. And he also sent me to EMRI. Ramana Rao met me. Krishna Raju met me and they asked me that, what are you doing? I told, sir, I do everything what you want. So no, at least something you have done in your childhood. I told I did yoga. I don't know yoga that time, Satyanarayan. I don't know exactly what was yoga. I was doing only asana because by doing asana, I become fit. Anytime I become fit. Because being the poorest man, lying on the floor and reading, like, villager, you see, they don't have table chairs, they sit on the floor on some bora, gunny bag. Earlier, rice was contained in some kind of gunny bag.
Gunny bags.
So that was the gunny, poorest man. So sitting there, reading, mastering the subject. So my stomach used to get upset. So I pick up a book from my library of uncle, Ram Sudesh Chaudhary. I studied asana. I mastered asana when I was 12. Because I had to be fit, you see. Why am I doing asana? Tell me. Not to get my stomach upset. Because eating also rubbish, dirty food, garib fellow, marua ka roti. There is one seed which is only for cattle, like sheep, goats and buffaloes are eating. Marua. What is that called?
Marua.
Probably you may not know, it is seed of mustard, black. It's the cheapest thing you can buy. So I was eating that. It was very difficult.
I think Uluvalu, Telugu mein, Uluvalu. Black.
And then this chutney of chilies.
Yes.
The chilies, so that was my food. What was the food? Marua ka roti or ye chutney, mirchi ka chutney. Usme lage khate. Itni garibi thi bhai. That word. So I did yoga to become fit and study. So I told Ramana, I learned yoga. Oh, you teach yoga. This is great. Because he is an intelligent man. Ramana is a wise man. Then I started learning yoga. I discovered that yoga is not only asana. Yoga is the absolute wisdom to make the man happiest. So there I could learn yoga. I mastered that. I studied that. And then I learned yoga is a study of mind. It is neurosystem. What is that called? Neurology.
Neurosystem.
Neurosystem.
Nervous system.
What is that called?
Nervous system.
Neurology.
Neurology.
The science and the technology of governing your mind, controlling your mind. That is yoga. And that's why, Satyanarayan, I become one of the best. Ramdev doesn't know. A real yogi will be Buddha only. A real yogi will be Vivekananda only. A real yogi will be Pandit Fakir Yogi, Virendra Yogi only. You know who said this? Ramana Rao. He's such a great man. He knows everything. But he's timid and coward because he's afraid that if he tells the truth, somebody can harm him. He's a wise man, street smart, that's the truth. So I could learn yoga. If everyone learn yoga, no war, no hate, no greed, no distraction, only creativity, only helping, only love him, the whole world will change. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
You tell